Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. Reading po ito for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. If you want na magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, or mag-message na lang po kayo sa aming Facebook page, Madam Space T. Lagyan mo na space sa dulo. Available ang aming video call, astrological reading, palm reading, and tarot reading. So, if you want to check it out, doon na lang po. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, let's start. Gusto ko na isang shuffle pa. Sana makuha ko yung sa'yo. Please comment down below. Sobrang thankful ako sa mga nagko-comment. Na-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Kahit po heart-heart lang yan, malaking bagay. Grabe. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Libra. Kunin natin main energy mo, Libra. The Hermit, this is Virgo energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Two of Pentacles. I feel like may something kang iniisip regarding home ngayon, pero parang hindi ka masyadong sure. Well, anything na may kinalaman sa home, maybe business sa home, or maybe home mo mismo, or hometown, home place. Okay, or literal na bahay. There's this wishy-washy kind of energy sa'yo. Or, medyo rocky pa kasi ngayon. Parang ang hirap isakatuparan kung ano man yung changes na gusto mong gawin within the home. So, yung iba, movement or paglipat ng tahanan. Pero yung wishy-washy pa ngayon. Or business regarding a home. Kasi it also talks about money. But, there's something here regarding a home na parang hindi ka masyadong sigurado or parang nagkakaroon ng wishy-washy kind of energy sa'yo. Pwedeng may mga ginagawa pa ngayon, busy or whatever, but I feel like you're focusing on yourself. Ano yung mas makakapagpa-okay pa sa'yo as a person. You're making yourself, yung iba nagpo-focus sa pagpapaganda, ayos ng sarili, or yun nga, tahanan, pwedeng ganun. Emotions, person nakakonect mo, you do have here the 5 of Cups and the 5 of Swords. This person is not okay. Sobrang nalulungkot siya. 5 of Swords is here. I want to clarify what's with the 5 of Swords. 5 of Swords is clarified by the 6 of Swords. Nalulungkot siya, nasasaktan siya. Pwedeng I don't know who cut off the connection, ha. Pero pwedeng meron dito nag-cut off ng connection. Either wag na tayo maglagay ng gender. Siya or ikaw. Okay? Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-cut off. Pero this person is moving on. Kung siya man yung nag-cut off, kahit pa paano, part of this person is guilty. Kasi bakit kanya kinut off, diba? Parang ang sakit para sa kanya yun. Nalulungkot siya. Maybe kinut off kanya thinking about this, money or family matter. I don't know, but there's something here na nagiging dahilan. Either family or money. So, yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagkat-off. This person is moving on. So, pwede may pagkakalayo sa inyo nitong taong ito. Distance is number 1 na nagiging dahilan. Emotions niyo para sa isa't isa. Emotions niyo para sa isa't isa. For the sign of Libra. And I feel like, ito person na to, nalulungkot siya. Pwedeng ganito rin kasi, nag-move on siya, pero at the same time, nakakita siya ng dahilan. Nakakita siya ng, nalulungkot siya ngayon kasi pwedeng may nagiging rason or nagiging dahilan na rin for you to move on. Alam mo yon, parang part of this person, ayaw niya ring mag-move on ka. No? Ngayon, pag may nakikita siyang dahilan ngayon, kung bakit nakaka-move on ka na. At masakit para sa kanya yon kasi kahit pa paano, minahal ka naman itong taong to. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. King of Swords, the Emperor, and the Moon. Okay. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. You do have here the Knight of Wands, the Tower, the Hanged Man, and the Six of Wands. Someone here is no longer waiting, hindi na naghihintay. That could be you or your person. Pwede nagkaroon na ng pagdedesisyon about, ano dapat gawin, which is to cut off the connection. The Moon, I feel like there's a spiritual connection sa inyo ng person na to. Maybe this person is someone na nag-appear, lumalabas sa panaginip mo. Either ngayon or in the past. I don't know. But this person, King of Swords, the Emperor, I feel like this is you. Na nagfo-focus ka kasi ngayon sa sarili mo. And then ito person na to, pwedeng I'm feeling like naghihintay siya na ilaban mo siya or bumalik ka or kind of like makipag-away. And I don't know kung sinong aawayin. Some of you ganun, may aawayin. Ang ilaban mo, kanta ko sanay na ganyan ka ganun. Hindi ako sanay na maalis ka sa connection natin. But you're the King of Swords and the Emperor. Pwedeng, nasanay, this is you. Na pwedeng nakita mo yung halaga mo. That this is you. I'm the Emperor. I'm the King of Swords. Bakit ako maghahapol sa'yo? Bakit ako mag-focus sa connection natin? Bakit ako ganito, ganyan? And the Moon is here. So, nandun yung pananahimik or you're just focusing on, gusto mo lang katahimikan, peacefulness. You just want peacefulness. And this person is no longer hindi na siya nakakatulong sa peacefulness mo. Hindi kanya na nabibigyan ng peacefulness. So, this is you na nakita mo yung halaga mo. Then, this person is waiting na mabalik yung dati na pag ginagawa mo paglaban mo or whatever sa kanya. What will happen in the near future? In the near future for the both of you. Seven of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, the Five of Pentacles. What's in the Five of Pentacles? Why is the Five of Pentacles is here? Three of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. Okay. Three of Cups is here. O, tatlong three to ha. This is an angel number. Ten of Cups. Nine of Wands. And one more card. Dalawa yung lumabas. Ten of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, in the near future, well, I can see you with the Seven of Pentacles. I can see a lot of opportunities sa'yo pagdating sa family or someone is going to talk to you para bigyan ka ng opportunity. Or part of your family is magkakaroon ng opportunity. Like for example, yung if you do have a child and medyo matanda na or malaki na si child, so pwedeng magkaroon ng opportunity sa kanya na maibigay or may offer ng someone who is also successful. So I can see an opportunity regarding that. Parang tutulungan kind of energy. Regarding money, regarding career. And the Nine of Cups. And then Five of Pentacles. Some of you pwedeng I can see legal matter. I don't know. Pero pwedeng magkaroon ng problem yung isang tao regarding legal matter because of you. Ikaw ang dahilan. But Ten of Wands, actually marami ka rin kasi naghirap ka na rin kasi para isipin pang mabuti kung ano yung maitutulong mo or whatever. Intindihin itong person na ito na who really is having hard time pagdating sa kanyang finances. But let me clarify what's with the Three of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. The Temperance is here, and the Star. Some of you pwede magkaroon din ng problem regarding money, but you don't need to worry. Parang kailangan mo lang ng tiyaga, pasensya, kasi kakamoy ako ng keso, like cheese, or Star Margarine. I don't know if you're having breakfast habang nanonood ka sa akin. I can smell this palaman kind of energy. And then you do have here the Star, Aquarius energy. So, andun yung yung parang you're working on your goals. Some of you may ubos ng ipon or pera, pero you're working towards something. Eventually, it will grow, pero it takes time. Katulad ng isang halaman, no? Hindi naman yan agad-agad. If you do have a business, some of you, pwedeng hindi naman agad-agad siya. Pero unti-unti. Unti-unti. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.